dash cam is like insurance. You hope you never need it, but when you do, you are incredibly glad you have it. One accident, one hit and run, one insurance dispute, and the footage pays for itself. I have tested the best dash cams of 2026 to find out which ones deliver the clearest footage, most reliable performance, and best value. Let's get into it. The THINKWARE U3000 PRO is the best premium dash cam for users who want the absolute best video quality and advanced cloud features. This camera records stunning 4K footage at high frame rates with exceptional detail, capturing license plates and road signs clearly even at speed. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor delivers outstanding low-light performance, recording usable footage in near darkness. The built-in radar motion detection wakes the camera instantly when it detects movement near your parked car, saving battery life. The cloud connectivity lets you view live footage, receive impact alerts, and check your parked car from anywhere. The energy-saving parking mode records for days without draining your car battery. The built-in GPS logs your speed and location. For drivers who want the absolute best, this is the top choice. Check the link in the description below. The THINKWARE ARC 900 is the best 2-channel dash cam for users who want front and rear coverage in a discrete, reliable package. This camera records sharp 1440 footage from the front and 1080 from the rear, giving you complete coverage around your vehicle. The Sony Starvis sensors deliver excellent low-light performance, capturing clear footage even at night. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you view and download footage directly to your phone. The parking mode records motion or impact while your car is parked, with a voltage cutoff to prevent battery drain. The GPS logs your speed and location, adding context to your recordings. The supercapacitor design handles extreme temperatures reliably. For drivers who want front and rear coverage from a trusted brand, this is a fantastic option. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The THINKWARE RC700 is the best value 4K dash cam for users who want excellent video quality without the premium price tag. This camera records sharp 4K footage with good detail and solid low-light performance. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you view and download footage directly to your phone. The parking mode records motion or impact while your car is parked, with adjustable sensitivity settings. The GPS logs your speed and location, adding valuable context to your recordings. The supercapacitor design handles extreme temperatures reliably. The compact, discreet design hides behind your rearview mirror. The loop recording automatically overwrites old footage, so you never run out of space. For drivers who want 4K quality and reliable performance at a reasonable price, this is the smart choice. I have linked the THINKWARE ARC700 4K down in the description. The TORVO TD3 is the best triple-channel dash cam for users who want front, rear, and cabin coverage in one system. This camera records 4K footage from the front, 2K from the rear, and 1080p from the interior cabin camera. The interior camera is perfect for rideshare drivers, taxi drivers, or anyone who wants to record what happens inside the vehicle. The Sony Starvis sensors deliver excellent low-light performance, capturing clear footage even at night. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS let you view footage and track your location. The parking mode records motion or impact while parked. The supercapacitor design handles extreme temperatures reliably. The 3-inch IPS screen makes it easy to review footage and adjust settings. For rideshare drivers, fleet managers, or anyone who wants complete vehicle coverage, this is the best option. Check the link in the description below. The Vantrue N4 Pro S is the best triple-channel dash cam for users who want the highest resolution front camera and interior coverage. This camera records stunning 4K footage from the front, 1080p from the rear, and 1080p from the interior cabin camera. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor in the front camera delivers exceptional low-light performance and detail. The infrared LEDs on the interior camera record clear footage even in complete darkness, making it perfect for rideshare drivers. The built-in GPS logs your speed and location. The parking mode records motion or impact while parked. The 3-inch IPS screen is bright and easy to use. The supercapacitor design handles extreme temperatures. For rideshare drivers who want the best possible front camera quality, this is the top choice. I have linked the Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K down in the description for you. That wraps up the best dash cams for 2026. Whether you want the premium cloud features of the THINKWARE U3000 PRO, the front and rear coverage of the ARC900, or the triple channel coverage of the TORVO TD3, every link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you protect yourself on the road, hit that subscribe button for more honest tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.